Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Hdfc mobile banking app because QR generation lives inside the payments area. This matters as the app verifies your account and device. Once done, log in using MPIN, fingerprint, or password so the app can access your wallet and transactions. Make sure camera and storage permissions are granted. Otherwise, the app cannot scan or save QR codes. You need steady internet, mobile data, or Wi-Fi, so the app can fetch your account details and generate a valid live. You now move through the app, tap payments or pay on the home screen so you reach scanning and QR features. This grouping exists to keep scanning and receiving functions together. Next, select Show QR or Generate QR because this creates a merchant or personal code tied to your account. Enter the amount and purpose if you want a fixed amount code. Otherwise, choose Dynamic Mode for variable payments. Make sure to review recipient details displayed, so the QR encodes correct account and purpose information before generation. You finish by saving or sharing the generated QR code so customers can scan it. Choose Save to Gallery or Share to WhatsApp, email, or another messenger so payments are convenient. Once a payment is attempted, check My QR or recent transactions to confirm the amount cleared and reconcile immediately. This avoids duplicate requests. If the QR doesn't work, make sure camera permissions and internet are active, update the app, clear cache, or restart. If issues persist, contact Hdfc support for a quick resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.